Welcome back to my fire lookout. Thought I'd show you some more of the fire finder here. If you'd like to read more in depth about this, you can pause here. The year is 2021, but on the forest we still use this technology from the 1910s and 1920s. So what I'll do here is do a little mock-up for you. We're going to say that there is a smoke right at the tippy top of that peak where it's pointed. And we've got a column of smoke coming up. I'm going to run over to my fire finder here, which rotates. And I'm going to look through here and line up the crosshair. I'll do my best here. Fun fact in case you didn't know, this is called a crosshair because we use horsehair. So where the fire finder was, if I try to look through here, the window pane is actually in the way. So these are built to rotate, like I said, and also to move back and forth. So I can work around that window frame. All right, this might be the best I can do. I've got the viewfinder, and you can see that crosshair is falling across that peak. So then I would pull back and you see that there are these measurements, and this is ours here, this little Y shape, falling just shy of 230 degrees. And there are 360 degrees all the way around the ring of this fire finder. So what this means is that we are at 229 degrees and some smaller increment before 230. This little hash between each degree, so 229 and 230, represents 30 minutes, which is half of a degree. So we know to add 30 minutes onto that 229 degrees, and we're going to follow these ticks over here, and wherever the next ticks line up is how many degrees we'll add on. Which one would you say lines up? I'm going to go with this 20. Boop. So now we know that our measurement is 229 degrees, 30 minutes, plus another 20 minutes, putting our measurement at 229 and 50 minutes. Well, you can locate a fire with just 1 degree from one lookout. It's even better if you can get across from a second lookout or even a third. And for that, we need our handy dandy drop-down map. Ta-da! And that took way longer than I expected, so follow for part 2.